Do you know the real irony about this book is that I write about optimal physical health and I'm passionate about people living better lives and longer lives, but it's really so that our lives will count. Discovering our purpose, becoming significant, leaving positive legacy. That's what good health actually affords us. And nobody wants bad health getting in the way of living the lives we really want to lead. Get yourself back in motion will empower us in that journey. Enjoy reading the book, discuss it with friends and family, share it around. But most importantly, do something practical with it, let it change the way you live. And when it does, please write to me, tell me your experience and share how reading the book helped you get yourself back in motion.